Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot change country region issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to change country region but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically to fix the cannot change country region error on your Apple ID, you have to simply clear all the active digital subscriptions, and then you have to simply cancel any pre-orders or rentals, or you have to simply spend or zero out any remaining Apple account balance. So guys, your account must be completely clear of financial ties to the old region before the switch. So guys, in order to change your country region, you have to simply cancel all the subscriptions that are active on your device. For that, you have to simply go to settings and then go to your profile and then go to subscriptions, and from here check if there are any subscriptions. Then you have to simply cancel all the subscriptions from here. So guys, do this, and after this zero out your balance on your Apple ID, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply turn off family sharing on your device for one time. So guys, we have to simply go to family as if you are organizer, and after this you have to simply turn off a family subscriptions or family organizer status on your Apple ID first. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the other settings. That is, you have to simply go to screen time, and from here go to content and privacy restrictions, and if the toggle is on, then you have to simply turn it off. So guys, turn it off, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to Sport app, and from here you have to simply contact the Apple Support team for further information and help, and they will guide you how to fix this problem on your Apple device. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.